Yeah.
Hi everyone, I'm Mia. Today I'll show you how to make an espresso martini. Follow these step-by-step instructions and get right to the good stuff. Here's what you'll need. 1.5 ounces or 45 milliliters of vodka. 1 ounce or 30 milliliters of coffee liqueur, like Kahlua for example. 1 ounce or 30 milliliters of freshly brewed espresso. 1/2 ounce or 15 milliliters of simple syrup, the amount of which you can adjust to your own taste, of course. A few ice cubes and a few coffee beans for garnishing. Step 1. Prepare the espresso. Brew a fresh shot using your preferred method. Allow it to cool to room temperature. Step 2. Chill the martini glass. Chill it in the freezer or fill it with ice cubes while preparing the cocktail. Step 3. Fill the cocktail shaker with ice and then add the cooled coffee, vodka, and simple syrup. Then add the Kahlua. Step 4. Give the cocktail a hard shake in the cocktail shaker. Step 5. Strain the mix into martini glasses. Top it with 3 coffee beans, if you like, and serve. That's it, your espresso martini is ready. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.